Around the world and never cease to sing a song for women everywhere. Equality, development and peace. So sing a song for women everywhere. Let it ring around the world and never cease to sing a song for women everywhere. Equality, development and peace.
Orúkọ mi ni Sáyẹ̀ Ìdòwú. A wá fún iléeṣẹ́ Àjọkẹ́ Foundation so wọ́n fẹ́ ràn wá lọ́wọ́ lórí iṣẹ́ tá à ń ṣe àgbàdo àti bọ̀lú mọ́ọ̀sù. So wọ́n fẹ́ fún wa ní nǹkan tí iṣẹ́ wa máa fi gbòòrò sí tó tún máa fi lajú sí tá a fi máa ṣe kúrò láṣẹ wà mílíọ̀nù. So wọ́n fẹ́ ràn wá lọ́wọ́ láti gbé iṣẹ́ wa sókè kọ́lọ̀ àwọn náà lọ́wọ́.
A lot of people have gone to training like tie and dye, arts, tailoring, and at the end they will settle that each person has to be able to stand on their own. And all these things are going to be presented to people like Francis. It's something that you can use for roasting plantain, that is boli, or corn, roasted corn, or fish. And it's more unique than the other ones that people are seeing at the main road.
My name is Misokun. I'm a widow. I'm happy for this opportunity that they give me this phone. I'm a farmer. This phone will help me because I will put my business into WhatsApp. I will post my business. Then many people will see my business. They would like to improve me and they will help me to spread my business. This former one that I have before does not do anything for me than for me to receive and make call. I'm very, very much happy. This phone will help me. My customer will be much than before. I'm happy. I'm very much happy. God bless you people. This phone will help me. I will put my phone into WhatsApp. I will have a lot of connection. I can even go join Nigeria through this phone. I can make my business join Nigeria.
God will reward them for the gifts they will give to us. Pray for blessing upon them. God will bless the country.
Let it ring around the world and never cease to sing a song for women everywhere. Equality, development and peace. So sing a song for women everywhere. Let